Hello everyone, welcome back to Strike YouTube channel. If you have been trading for a while, you have probably heard of candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns have long been used by traders to predict potential price movements. Today, we deep dive into the world of candlestick patterns and how they can help you spot trading opportunities more efficiently. But today, we are going to take it up a notch with candlestick scanners. The candlestick scanners in Strike are a game changer. It scans a market for specific patterns so you don't have to do it on your own. Now, some of you may ask, how is it different from any other candlestick scanners available out there in the market? So, what's unique here is the system identifies the trend of this symbol and then identifies the candlestick pattern and then subdivides the patterns into four categories, that is bearish reversal, bearish continuation, bullish continuation, and bullish reversal. By identifying the trend that precedes the candlestick helps us to filter out the patterns that are more reliable than any random pattern. So, a bullish reversal pattern formed after a downtrend is more relevant than it forming in the middle of a trend. Similarly, a bearish reversal pattern forming after a uptrend is more relevant than it forming in anywhere else. Now let's understand how to use candlestick scanners in Strike. This is the dashboard of Strike. Here in Discover tab, you can go to Scanners. And right now you're just seeing candlestick scanners on my screen. Whereas on the Manage Scanner screen, I can enable all the scanners that I want to see. Just for this video, I have only enabled candlestick scanners, so there is no confusion. Just like any other scanner in Strike, you get to choose which basket you want to run the scan on, be it your own watch list or any indices, the FNO basket, or you can choose the market cap you want to filter on, and you get a choice between four different time frames, that is hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. Now, once you select a time frame, you also get an option to view the history of that scan for the last few days, so you can view historical results and even do your backtest. Another example I'm seeing on 6th of October is Voltas, wherein we got a bearish spinning top. As you can see, it has resulted as a strong reversal pattern. Now let's say you want to see weekly time frame. All you can do is select weekly from this drop down and then the date for which or the candle for which you would like to see. So I'm just randomly selecting 18th September. Very first example is quite nice. What we can see here is a bearish engulfing candlestick forming at the top for the Aarti Pharma stock, and as you can see, it has seen follow up in the forthcoming weeks. In bearish continuation, bearish patterns that are forming within a downtrend, so it confirms that the trend is continuing downward. So I'm viewing for today itself for all kinds of basket and market caps for the daily time frame. So you can see a lot of bearish belt holds are detected. Bearish belt hold is nothing but when the day's high and open are equal, and many other continuation patterns. So one of the example that is currently selected is Masdog with three black soldiers. Now why it has popped up into bearish continuation is because the trend preceding the candlestick formation is also down. This is why it is categorized as a bearish continuation. You can view all kinds of results and take your trade decision based on that. As you can see, bearish belt hold is a pattern where days open is equal to days high. It is forming in an ongoing downtrend, which is why it's getting detected here. Next is bullish continuation patterns. Just like bearish patterns, these are the trend forming within a bullish trend, thereby confirming that the trend is continuing up. On a daily basis, bullish belt hold will be the pattern that you are seeing mostly here, because that is when open is equal to low for the day, and that means demand was high during that day and the open price was not reached again during the session by the seller. This is a common pattern, but there are many other patterns in continuation as well. Upward gapping Tasuki is another continuation pattern. As you can see, it had formed on 9th of October on Kalyan Jewelers, and it has continued the trend upwards. Now, similar to any other indicator, larger the time frame, larger is the relevance for that. We want to your monthly continuation trends, that is also there. Going to monthly now, we are seeing few patterns that are forming in current candle. Of course, today's this month is not yet complete, but as of now, as we can see, there is advancing three soldiers pattern in NBCC. So it is confirming the continuation of larger uptrend. Want to see for the previous month, you can select that date from here. So all these are patterns that that had formed at the close of September candle. Last but not the least, bullish reversal patterns indicate that the preceding trend was down and now the trend can change upwards. So for today, seeing bullish engulfing patterns in stocks like OMG, Petronet, and spinning top in Sale, RF, etc. So let's see one of the previous days if there are any interesting patterns. So I've selected the 9th. We are seeing a morning star, which is a very strong pattern that had formed on Axis Bank and it has gone up from that level. Similar pattern was formed on the PSC index and it has also continued its upward journey from there. Let's see for some other days as well. Bullish counter attack line. This is also a very interesting reversal pattern that is sometimes not noticeable by the naked eye, but when the system catches it, we can see it on the very same day and take great decisions based on that. So start spotting these patterns with the scanner and you might just find your next trade setup. Candlestick scanners can save you a lot of time, help you focus, and most importantly, can be invaluable in informing your trading decisions. Deep dive, practice, and remember to always do your own research. Happy trading. If you want more tips and tools, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.